Baby, if you're one of those people that's always complaining about how your hair got used to certain shampoos, conditioners, products, whatever the case may be, you definitely want to watch this video. My name is Linwood. I'm a licensed cosmetologist and a cosmetology instructor. And I can tell you I hear this all the time from people where hair got used to a certain product. Product formula must have been changed despite the fact that they haven't purchased a new bottle, which, like, okay, number one issue that you're probably having is buildup. You need a good quality clarifying shampoo to get that off. Let's talk about it. Now, the problem I've noticed is a lot of people have switched to sulfate-free shampoos, but they haven't really stopped using things that can actually cause buildup and things in the hair. So you're still using petroleum, you're still using mineral oils, you're still using butters, still using waxes, still using things like Eco Styler gel, all of that, which most of that stuff I don't have an issue with, except Eco Styler, it sucks. But nonetheless, they're still using things that are causing buildup on the hair, and then you're not using a sulfate that's able to remove that back off of the hair. And I pull up lists like this so that way you can kind of see, even though I don't necessarily agree with them all, we'll talk on some of that. Notice number here, number one, use a clarifying shampoo. Now, I'm going to warn you, a clarifying shampoo is going to strip like Mercedes. It's going to remove everything you got, including your moisture. So we're going to have to follow up some things. It also says to look for chelating ingredients. Chelating ingredients that are also found in a lot of quality clarifying shampoos. This one here is specifically meant to get chlorine and things like that off. It does have chelating agents in it also. It is a fantastic clarifying shampoo. You can find it in a place where I might have things for you to click. You understand? I'll explain it in the comments if you don't understand. On this list here, it says to stay away from silicones and sulfates. Baby, I'm going to tell you now, if you utilize sulfates from time to time, you really don't have to worry about silicones, butters, all that type of stuff, because the sulfates are able to easily remove that off, but that's neither here nor there. And balancing conditioners, let's talk about it. Now, a clarifying shampoo is going to strip everything you got, like I said, so you'll want to follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioner, much like this one here. Where can you find this? I have it in places you can click things. If you don't understand, I'll let you know in the comments, okay? You want to make sure you're getting even more hydration from that, because maybe you don't know how to do that. Something like a hair steamer can be really helpful, where distilled water goes in here and then it steams. It comes up in through this portion here. You can vent that to your liking and you sit underneath it like this with your conditioner of choice in your hair, and it steams and pushes that hydration deeper into your hair. So now we have removed buildup, we have increased your hydration, we have helped out with any dry scalp issues, things like that you may have. And we've done it all in the comfort of your home. And guess what? You still got to keep the exact same product that you love because your hair did not get used to it. You just had buildup. If you have additional questions, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, you know what else to do. Okay, love you, bye.